recently did a procedure where somebody had a scar in the middle of his mustache and it drove him crazy for years. In fact, we were working on doing transplant to his head, and he said, "Can you do beard transplant?" And I said, "Yes, let's do it today." And it was just a small procedure, but it's going to be very impactful for him and really solve an issue that was bothering him for years. And that's kind of what the beard is all about. Some people have patchiness in the cheeks, or there's not, the mustache comes down and it's not really connected, or some people need full beard reconstruction. So when we look at beard, the best option is to take hair from the neck region, especially if it's dense, to move up into the beard because the coarseness is the same. Sometimes we take from the head and move to the beard, and the results can be just as natural as taking it from beard to beard. I had a patient recently that had a lot of extra hair above the preferred beard line. So generally the beard comes down and kind of straightens out and connects into the mustache, but it had a lot of hair up under the eye that was really bothersome. In fact, he had to shave that almost every day. We extracted the hair that was unwanted and we moved it into the area where he wanted thickness. That's just a simple aspect of beard hair. Whenever you extract from the face heals extremely fast with almost full contraction, even within days, with minimal to no scarring. So if you're interested in beard to beard or head to beard transplantation, give us a call at 678-845-7521. You can go to our website at nahairrestoration.com.